This is Fantasy Motorsports, and today we're back with a brand new video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss none of our videos that we upload, guys. Today we got a special project for you. We got a Tesla model while we're doing a full clear bra on it. You're probably wondering why you got to do the clear bra on your car. If you don't know, now I'm gonna just break it down for you just a little bit, right? So the clear bra, you know, when you get your car, you drive it for like 6 months, right? You look at it, you don't see nothing. You don't really see no scratches. You don't see no rock chips. But if you get closer to it, you will see the rock chips, right? Let's say you drive for like a year. Then you wouldn't need to get closer to see the rock chips. You just need to look at it. Look at the bumper, you just see the rock chips all over the place. But you don't have to get a clear bra. But if you're the person that loves protecting the car, then you need a clear bra. Maybe the bumper and the fender, even the hood, right? Just to protect that front, because that's the part that, you know, those parts of the car, the rock chips love hitting those. So you probably need you need the clear bra on those part of your car. That's the point of having a clear bra on your car. Also, not just that, not just the rock chips, also the paint, right? You want to protect the paint. So the moment you get the car, you put the clear bra on it. With time, let's say you go like, you can even go like 4 or 5 years, you remove it, the paint is the same, just like it looked just like the day you got it, just as if you just got it from the dealer, right? That's not all we're doing to this vehicle. We also doing the Ceramic Pro. So after the clear bra, once we're done with a full clear bra, we're gonna do the Ceramic Pro to it. We do ceramics here. We have 2 locations. One is in Thousand Oaks, the other one is in Northridge. You can stop at either location. We're gonna take care of you. So yeah, you also need Ceramic Pro on your car. When you get it from the dealer, if you cannot do clear bra, we recommend for you to do Ceramic Pro. You know? So just stop by the shop and talk to one of our sales specialists. They're gonna take care of you guys. Again, stay tuned for this video. Stay tuned for this project. It's a pretty cool project. You don't want to miss that. Watch it. We're showing you guys the full project, the full process, and we're gonna show you guys the final product. Make sure to stay tuned. Again, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stop by Fantasy Motorsports, Northridge, or Thousand Oaks. Either way, it does not matter. Just stop by and talk to one of our specialists. We're gonna take care of you. Stay tuned.
Yeah. Fantasy Motorsports, California. Yeah. Now you know. Let's go. Fantasy Motorsports, California. Yeah. If I want my car customized, I take it to Fantasy. If I need my window tint, now I go to Fantasy. You wanna add more horsepower to your muscle car? Take it to Fantasy Motorsports, they go to your car. All my friends be telling me your car is looking good. All that design on your door is looking really good. Your headlights, your taillights, they wish the car could look like mine, that's what they're telling me. Your car could look just like mine if you take it to Fantasy. Gotta prepare your speakers customized. Ceramic Pro, they can get it done. Don't you sit there and waste time, check out to Fantasy Motorsports. Fantasy Motorsports, Motorsports, Fantasy Motorsports. Go on to your car, Fantasy Motorsports, Motorsports, Fantasy Motorsports. Go on to your car, run around with a better car, or make sure it's push and start. I don't FHG your car stock. Them been tuning cars are back to back. And what it guess I got my back. They work so hard that they never lack. Fantasy Motorsports, boss, do it for the sports. Fantasy doing the van no rap. Fantasy doing all kinds of rap. SK glow with an MD lights. Fix a drum with a dynamite. You will fall in love at first sight, cause Fantasy is something that you would like. Yeah. All my friends and family take their cars to Fantasy. Walking on your car, they will bring your dream to reality. They will never let you down, treat you just like family. Fantasy could be your new family. Fantasy family, Fantasy's family. Hook you up with them subwoofers, tune it up with some amplifiers, cause some dash with some nice speakers. We do it all with them big steppers. Muffler delete, get your Kali, you be on fleek. We do it like this. Fantasy Motorsports.
Okay, people, that's it for this video. We hope you enjoy everything. And then we hope you're thinking about doing this to your car if you don't have it yet. Just stop by Fantasy Motorsports, Northridge, or Thousand Oaks. We're gonna take care of you. Now we're gonna show you guys the final product. If you want to do something similar to your car, bring it to us, and we're gonna take care of you. Again, make sure you hit that subscribe button. This was Fantasy Motorsports.
Fantasy Motorsports, Fantasy Motorsports. Going to your car. Fantasy Motorsports, Motorsports. was fantasy. Oh, young son, 21. Junior car, fantasy, motorsport.